going to be kind of hard to show you guys what's going on right now, but as you can see, I'm getting ready to weld in the TeamZ under the floor subframe connector. This is on the passenger side. Driver side will be pretty much the same. As you can see, let me reposition here. It attaches to the seat mounts. It gets welded in from there. It gets welded at two front points at the front. And at the rear, let me reposition. It gets welded in at the rear as well, right at the torque box area. And actually, I think they call this the full length frame, or full length subframe connectors. They literally go from the rear torque boxes, uses tubular steel, and goes right to the front, right before the connection to the front subframe. Actually, let me rephrase. It goes right to the front, all the way to the point where, right before it hits the K-member connections. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to weld those in, and yeah, that should be a good starting point.